everyone, welcome back to Beauty Busters on Guru Hub. I'm Annalee Belle, and today we're going to be trying out magnetic lashes. I have seen these things all over Facebook, and I'm not gonna lie, ever since I first saw them, I thought they were a total fail because the advertisement for these lashes was the half lashes, and it showed the lash not blending on the lash line. I literally had no desire to try it at all. It looked awful. I don't know why they were boosting the post so much because it looked terrible. I do know that a few of you tried them. Sam, you said you tried the half lashes and they were garbage. Melinda and Cynthia both wanted me to try the full lashes, which I actually thought were cool. I thought the idea of having a full magnetic lash actually made way more sense than having a half lash that didn't blend. There's still potential for it to not work out, so let's try it out. So this is what the lashes came in, just a regular envelope. I ordered a couple things from Amazon that I already took out of here. I hadn't taken the lashes out yet, but it looks like I did. It's nice and open and squished. Hope they haven't been used before. Don't look too nice laid out. They're kind of stuck together. I do like this plastic case that's nice and secure. I think I'll actually use this for my other lashes. The other ones I had were just glued on and they were kind of hard to get off. Oh, they're magnetized. These two were just stuck together. This has a funky bit hanging off right there. So these look a little janky, but once you pull them apart, they actually are fine. I'm concerned about this one because it's obviously not straight. I'm gonna pop off these falsies and give these a go, see how they work. Since we were having so much trouble last time with the metal applicators sticking to the magnets, I'm gonna try this one instead of the metal ones to see if it makes a difference. Thinking about it, I feel like it's easiest to start from underneath and then let the top magnet come down and clamp it, so we're gonna try that. I think part of the trick is you have to make a weird face while you do it too. Oh my God, did I just get it? I think I just got it. Holy cow, it worked. I think. Oh, or not. I thought it did. There's a little bubble here. Oh, that one feels a lot better. That one's almost there. It's just sticking off in the inner corner a little bit here. I personally would not be comfortable wearing this out. Yeah, it's just coming off more. The more I blink, it's coming further off. So that's all in about a minute or two. So yeah, I'm gonna say this try was a fail as well. Oh my God. Ah! Oh, I just stopped both of them. So, oh, it's pinching my eyelid, definitely. Is it cute yet? I've definitely never poked my eyes anywhere near this much with normal glue-on lashes. Never ever. Oh God. Oh. I think the only way you could possibly do these is if you had 2 plastic applicators and 2 friends helping you. Okay, so what do I think about the magnetic lashes? 1 star. Starry. Not starry. I tried 2 different pairs because I really thought that the 3 magnet pair was going to work, but it didn't. It was just as bad as the 2 magnet pair. Okay, maybe not quite as bad, but it was still pretty bad. It was more uncomfortable, that's for sure. So Cynthia and Melinda over on Facebook, there's your answer. The lashes suck. So I'm just gonna show you an easy way to wear normal glue-on strip lashes. I know gluing on falsies seems really challenging to a lot of people. I get it, I've been there. It took me a long time to master it. If you know just a few things to look for in the lashes you're using, what type of glue to use, if you make sure that you're using a lash applicator, applying falsies is so much easier. I wish somebody would have showed me all of this years ago. Make sure you have these things with you whenever you're doing falsies. A lash curler, good mascara, a lash applicator, and you can use the metal one or the plastic one, some glue. I like the dark tone because I do have eyeliner on today and this will help the lashes blend in with my eyeliner, and some lashes. So if you're new to wearing lashes, I would definitely recommend starting out with the lash like this. It's very simple. These I ordered from a company called Cosmetics, but you can get the Ardell Demi Wispies, which are available pretty much anywhere. I use these for everything from weddings to really high fashion dramatic looks. If I want them more intense, I just double up the lashes, or I'll cut them up and make them all funky. But I love the bands, they're super flexible. When it comes to taking your lashes off, don't just pull them off because that's how you mess up the band sometimes, or you pull some of the hairs off. I use the fat part of my fingers and just pull it down. Next, you want to curl your lashes and put on some mascara. I like to use a nice volumizing mascara because it helps make a really full base for the lash to sit on top of. You want to make sure that the mascara is going to really hold your lashes in place so they curl up into the falsies. A lot of lashes have this white or plastic band right here. I like to use the Duo Dark to conceal that lighter band. If you don't want to use the dark glue, you could also go over that band with eyeliner first. When it comes to applying the glue to the lash, I do not like to apply it straight onto the lash. Sometimes it goops out, there's too much at once, and it gets onto the lash hairs. Not cute. Instead, I squeeze a little bit out. Usually it's on the back of my hand, but for this video, I'm gonna be nice and neat about it. I generally just use the other end of the lash applicator to put my glue on. Just need a very thin layer. You can either hold one end with your fingers and the other end with the applicator, or you can just hold the applicator straight across. I usually put it on like this first, and then I'll use the tip just to wiggle the corner in. And it helps a lot if you look down into a mirror instead of trying to look straight while your eye is up. So if you kind of tilt your head like this, you can make sure you're above your lashes. Go very slowly. Now it's attached in the center. I'm going to work the inside first. Get that right on the lash line. I actually find it easier with my fingers on the outer corner most of the time. And then what I like to do is to go in and kind of push the lash onto the lash line. So it feels like it's touching all the way across. Oftentimes I find when I start pressing that the lash wasn't actually touching all the way at the base. This is a really good way to make sure it's attached and it's nice and secure. Once it's mostly dry, I go back in with the lash applicator and I pinch my natural lashes and the false lashes together and push in. Not hard because I don't want to irritate the eye, but this helps the mascara kind of act as a glue and glue your natural lashes to the falsies so it looks even more seamless. I think this looks a lot better than the magnetic lashes. Just my opinion, it feels a lot better too. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Beauty Busters on Guru Hub. Make sure you check back next time so I can try before you buy.